Winter's racing driveline components have been setting the standard of quality and performance for over 65 years. Now we're upping the ante with an all-new 10-inch rear that's the strongest quick-change rear on the market. Racers today are achieving unheard-of levels of mechanical grip, putting significantly more power to the track surface and stressing driveline components to the max. To ensure our rears continue carrying teams to victory lane, we've designed a new, structurally reinforced center section, and we've invested in permanent mold tooling capable of producing castings that are superior to the sandcast components currently on the market. Internal design improvements include heavier-duty center ribs that have been extended to the front snout and rear gear cavity. Also, we have significantly increased the material thickness of the fillets at the bell mounting flanges, adding torsional strength. Combining these with external improvements like dual ribs between the ring gear cavity, the new centers will handle all the power and grip you throw at them, even under the most brutal conditions. And they weigh the same as previous iterations of our race-winning rears. But the most significant improvement is in the casting process. Every production quick change on the market is based on a sand-cast center section. Sand casting involves hand-pouring molten metal into single-use molds made of sand, then allowing the metal to solidify to form the part. The nature of the sand-based mold, coupled with the agitation of the molten metal that occurs when it's hand-ladled, can create core shift, which is where the inner core moves within the mold and affects casting tolerances. It also increases the amount of porosity and other inconsistencies that impact the strength of the casting. Permanent mold, as the name implies, uses a permanent, not single-use mold that is precision machined from a massive billet of H13 tool steel. Instead of hand-ladling the molten metal, it's fed using a mechanical tilt pour process that allows it to flow in a continuous, controlled, and repeatable manner. The metal itself is triple ceramic filtered, so it's a much more pure, higher quality base material than is typically used in sand casting. And because the tooling is steel, it can be heated and chilled in very targeted areas to control how the metal cools and solidifies. The result is a denser, more consistent casting with significantly stronger mechanical properties than sand cast aluminum or magnesium. Because the permanent mold tooling is 3 to 4 times more expensive than sand cast tooling, sand casting is usually chosen for lower volume parts, but it's impossible to achieve the strength, tolerances, and elevated casting density and grain structure that's possible with permanent mold casting. We're fortunate to have a loyal customer base that keeps us busy manufacturing a large volume of quick changes, and that volume has allowed us to make the investment in permanent mold casting without significantly raising the cost to the racers. The result is the strongest quick change rear on the market at a price that even the most budget-conscious teams can afford. For more information, please visit our website or give us a call, and we'll be happy to talk with you about our line of quick change rears and racing driveline components.